Hi everyone, this is Debbie here from Southern Delight. Welcome to my channel. I have something really great today. I am not going to be crafting today, but we are going to be doing a huge giveaway. I am going to be giving away a party in the bag. I am calling this my party in a bag. This is great for a 4th of July backyard barbecue. A centerpiece here that I crafted that will be in this giveaway. I have a wreath that you can hang up. I have a bag full of goodies here, and there is with all of these items, there is probably over $100 value here. I'm going to unpack this bag and show you what's in here. I have included 2 mittens for the barbecue, a hand towel. Here are plates. There are 8 in each of these plates. There is 2 small, 2 medium, and 2 of the larger plates. There are napkins. There are 2 of those, and there's an 8 count in each. A tablecloth, and of course every backyard barbecue needs some decorations, so let me show you what I got here. Got streamers, balloons, there is a metal star, a wind spiral, bunting that you can hang up, paper lantern. There is a beach ball and some stars that you can spread around. There's a metal patriotic windmill. A gold plate for you to put food on or decor. This cute little tote bag that you can put everything in. And also, for those of you who love to craft, I'm including some 10 by 10 red mesh and a 14-inch metal wreath form. And then the rules are as follows. And the rules are you must be at least 18 years old or older to enter. You must be subscribed to my channel. You must live in the United States. You have to click on a like button, and then down below in my description box I will leave a link to my Southern Delight email where you can email me and send me your email address, your name, and your address so that I can contact you if you are the winner. If you are not subscribed to my channel and you send me an email, you will be disqualified. This drawing is going to begin now, and it will go through June the 25th. On the 25th, I will contact the winner, and I'll probably announce the winner on one of my YouTube videos. But once you are subscribed, remember to do this now. Once you're subscribed to my channel, I have over 70 videos now. Thank you so much for supporting me and keeping me inspired with all of your comments and your likes and so forth. But I am up to 70 videos. If you'll scroll down, you don't necessarily have to watch my videos, but just look at the thumbnail, scroll through. There's a video that I just did where I made a diaper cake for my nephew and his family. They're having a baby. And put in your email, this is to qualify you for the drawing, put in the email what type of diaper cake that I actually made for them. So like I said, it's the only diaper cake that I've done so far, and it's real easy to spot, so just put that down in the email. Make sure you include that. And then also only enter once in 1 entry per household. So, but I am very excited to do this, and like I said, this is probably over $100 value here with everything, and I'm excited to see who's going to win all of this. So thank you for supporting me, and thank you for watching. I hope you'll continue to watch me, and don't forget to subscribe and email me so that you'll get a chance to win all of these great items. See you next time. Thanks.